Read the mind of the marker. This is the read the mind of the marker. The marker who actually give you the marks. It's an official document. By ACCA. Official document by ACCA. Must read. Wait. First of all, let me tell you what is read the mind of the marker. I have not seen this document in any other qualification. It quite may be possible that it may be, but I haven't seen. Now, let's say, for example, read the mind of the marker. What does it include? It is actually the official document. You can find it on the ACCA website, or else I'll be sharing it with you later on, not right now. This is basically the document in which marking team, the one who give you the marks, has selected the answer scripts of two candidates. Why candidate number one? Why candidate number one got 5 out of 5 marks, let's say, and why candidate number 2 got 2 out of 5 marks? So basically, it's a comparison of a good script and underperforming script with the positivity, the strength of the candidate number 1 and the weakness of the candidate number 2, right? Along with the comments that which area has been performed well, which was underperformed. So examiner later on leave their comments, the marking scheme, the structure of the answer, and it's a very important document. I will advise you to read this document in the month of May, mid of May. Simple point, after completion of the course. Definitely you cannot read it right now. So a very important document. Now it's a mind-blowing document, and the marked answer scripts of two candidates along with the marks allotted, marking scheme in the CRQ. So it's a very important document. You must need to read this document officially by ACCA just a few days before the exam, after completion of your paper. So rather than doing the mistake by yourself and then later on learning, it's very much important to learn from the past students.